In this clip, I would like to explain how you can open your SAPA portal, because a lot of people are feeling difficulties and they are telling that their SAPA portal is not open and they are worried. This claim is from so many people, so many migrants. Therefore, it's essential to record the session on SAPA portal. Number one. Number two, I would also compare that SAPA portal documents, old documents, how much they are important. This is also a very precious information regarding this one, because you know that old system is now little a bit different. The documents you did upload, documents at file lock, those are not much valid. The documents which you will upload now before biometric, those are more valid. The third information which I would like to give in this clip, that is regarding your biometric, upcoming biometric, that if you will not receive SAPA portal email, your IMA portal may have information regarding your email payment. So these three informations I will share in this clip, and watch this clip till end. Welcome to World Immigration News by Irfan. I go back to the topic. First of all, the SAPA portal. Yes, you are absolutely right. You are telling right. Most of the people are telling that SAPA portal is not open. One person did one experiment and he was successful, and he is now able to open SAPA portal. If your SAPA portal will not open, still don't need to worry. All documents are not valid now. Now you need to upload new documents, which I will tell you later on. First of all, when you will clicking SAPA portal is not opening, and in spite of opening of SAPA portal, IMA portal is opening, right? That's the that's some people are receiving this type of error. IMA portal is open. No doubt, you should click IMA portal now, and email option will open, and now you will enter old email, that email which you had given at file lock, right? Old email I am telling you will enter, and then at password you will not write password, because old password you will not write, you will write password change. When you will write password change, the informations you need to give, your manifesto number and your date of birth you will write, and you will receive another email after some time. In that email, all password changing procedure will be written. All password changing procedure will be written. Now you will change your password. By this way, by using this password, SAPA portal was open of the one migrant. So this was the one way by which one person was able to open SAPA portal. So I have given this information, but still, if you are still not able to open SAPA portal, no need to worry, because old documents which you did upload, those are not much valid now. You will definitely go with biometric with the new uploaded documents. It means this is the second file lock. I will refer, this is the second file lock. File lock means you are uploading documents. Now you will upload documents once again, and these documents which you will upload now, those will be valid, and those will be checked at biometric center. And if you will not bring those original documents you did upload, definitely you will be in trouble, and they will not process your resident card application. Therefore, no need to worry. Now this is actually new case, and you are depositing in uploading the form of uploading documents. SAPA portal, they are going to finish now. They are going to start new system, upload links and go with the new documents. But still SAPA portal can be opened by this way. Number one. Number two, the third one, which is very important, if you still did not receive email at SAPA portal and you are not able to open SAPA portal, you please keep checking the IMA portal. Some persons are telling that we are able to resolve our issue by IMA portal, because IMA portal was given payment option, and they were able to open IMA portal. In IMA portal they had information, so keep checking your IMA portal as well. and try to open SAPA portal. Once again, I will say there is no any problem if you are not able to open SAPA portal. There are a lot of other ways. Other YouTubers will also tell. It's not with you, it's with maximum people. It's a normal IMA software error, and they definitely were having problems in the future as well, and they will having problem in the past as well, and they will have problem in the future as well, because this is the tradition of IMA. When they are going to switch any system, mean they just want to switch their immigration system in evolutionary phase. They have technical difficulties, and they experiencing technical difficulties, and these difficulties they already told to the media that we are having some software errors. But SAPA portal, I think, this is my analysis, they are going to little bit reduce SAPA portal in the future, and they are going to give direct emails or IMA portal emails, and they will not entertain those documents which are uploaded at SAPA portal. They will only consider those documents which are uploaded in a new link. So if you forget SAPA portal for some time, try to upload documents by any way. You may receive email through IMA portal, and if you not able to process your application through SAPA portal, and you are able to process your application through IMA portal, there is no any problem, because now in future, as I am telling you, that will be extinct. IMA portal, sorry, SAPA portal will be extinct, and they will switch towards the IMA portal, because the IMA logic and IMA science is that now the people upload documents again, new junta, new job contract, and new each single and every detail they give. And also when at biometric they come with the new documents. And objective of IMA, which I ever says, they just want the person who is coming for biometric just 10 days before 15 days before he upload documents, and we check those documents before his biometric. It will be easiest one. It will be a little bit updated, because when you are going to check 2 years back, 3 years back, which documents you did upload, it's very difficult for IMA, because IMA wants fresh data of the individual. That's why they introduced upload links. So all documents which you uploaded, that was just okay, you did log file. Otherwise those documents, in my words, they had no weightage. No need to confuse. Just try to upload links by any way and go for biometric with new documents. Hopefully you will be able to do biometric successfully. Thank you very much.